What's up, everybody? Welcome back to For Love of the Mouse. We have not forgotten about you. We did not disappear. We just literally have been at home, raising our new puppy, hanging out with our dogs, going fishing. But now it's time to prepare for a new adventure because we are finally hitting the road and going on a trip. Let's get ready.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love. I need only you here with me.
All right, but before I show you everything I'm getting ready and tell you about our next adventure, if you're new around here, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and ring that bell icon so you're notified whenever we release new videos. And for this next adventure, you're going to want to check it out. That's right, our next adventure, we are going to Northern Europe and Iceland for 16 days. It's a long trip. We are going for a really long time. We're going on a Norwegian cruise for 11 days on the Norwegian Prima, one of their newest ships. So excited to try that out. Last year we were on the Epic, which is one of their older ships. So I'm definitely excited to get the Norwegian service on one of their newer ships, try that out, show you all the fun on the ship. But the ship isn't what matters because we're going to Iceland, we're going to Norway, we're going to Amsterdam, we're going to London, we're going all kinds of places. It's going to be great. And for that, I need lots of layers. Like when we went to Alaska, I took layers, but I have a feeling I might need a few more on this trip. So I just got back from running errands, went and picked up a few things. I'm getting ready to pack. I'm not going to show you that I'm bringing t-shirts. I'm not going to show you I'm bringing shorts, bringing pants. Everybody knows that. Well, I am going to show you I'm bringing pants, but I'm bringing a certain kind of pants. Anyway, let's quit yapping. I hope you all been well. Time for me to show you what I'm doing to prepare for this Northern Europe cruise. All right, well, here is what I have kind of thrown on the bed here to show you. These are items I got that are new to my traveling inventory, or just for this trip or other trips maybe that are similar. But yeah, I'm just giving you a rundown of some new things I got. This isn't new, had this last year. This is my sling bag I take. It locks up here. This is good to carry, I've found, through ports where they have a warning for pickpocketing, which pretty much any European port, and in my opinion, any port really, like, you should be on high alert because that's where pickpockets go, where tourists are. That's what they're gonna do. These right here, these are some shoe bags that I bought. I actually already put my Hey Dude shoes in there. If you didn't know, Hey Dudes, look them up. If you are like me and sandals are your ideal footwear, but sometimes you just can't get by with that, these are the perfect lightweight shoe. Love Hey Dudes. But these bags are awesome because shoes are dirty and they go in my suitcase with my clean clothes. And I've always hated that. Crystal uses temporary disposable shower caps she puts on the bottom. And I think she reuses them until like the elastic is completely gone in those, because she bought a box of them like 4 years ago. I think she literally just used the last one. And I've had one of these that came with my packing cube, but I'm taking a few pairs of shoes on this trip just in case, because it's supposed to rain. Like Iceland's supposed to be like really rainy, and if my shoes get wet, I want to make sure I have plenty of shoes. While one dries out, I have plenty of dry shoes. So like I got tennis shoes, sandals still, because beginning of the trip, it's probably going to be kind of cooler, rainy. End of the trip, going to be a little bit warmer. So, got to wear layers even in shoes. So I got to make sure I have my sandals. I always have my sandals. So, these bags right here, and most of these items that are like travel items, I have them under our packing list on our Amazon store. We get a little tiny commission from it, not anything big. Just got to tell you that. Mainly the list is for anyone who wants to look at stuff, because people are always asking us, where'd you get this? Where's the link for that? So I tried to put as much as I can in a central location. So pretty much anything you would see that would be a basic travel thing like these or my bag, those are going to be there. Now this is from our Etsy shop because my wife made it. She made them for a few people on our cruise that we're going with. She made me this Iceland beanie. I'll be sure to wear that. So in our vlogs, you'll probably see some people wearing some Norway ones. Those were all made from Crystal. Make sure you check out her Etsy shop. I will link that down below. She does a great job, works really hard. Good quality stuff, really, she does. Then I got a new rain jacket. It's a rain jacket, like I don't need to show you guys. Like, that's what it is. I've never worn this brand. I'm gonna try it. Everybody told me this was a good brand, so we're gonna see. I've been a Columbia North Face guy. Then Crystal also made this Iceland shirt for me. And I think a few of us got this shirt. We're going to wear it on our puffin tour we're going on in Iceland. And in London, there may be some Harry Potter fun we're going to do one of the days we're in London. So you might see some Harry Potter content. And if anybody from Warner Brothers is watching, we did not make these shirts. Nope, definitely not. Then, oh, I went and bought socks. So those are mixed in. Those are just socks. And Dramamine, because I don't know if I need Dramamine on a cruise. I've never gone on a cruise and not taken it. So I'm just going to take it, just to be safe. And then, European outlets. These are a lifesaver in a cruise stateroom. Also because I'm going to Europe, so I'm going to need them. Super easy. They come with a plug, 2 USB outlets. I think there's 2 plugs in here. These are on that link I told you about in our Amazon store. These are awesome. Plus, any cruise ship you go on is going to have European outlets. So if you take this on any cruise you go on, this gives you another outlet. If maybe your room doesn't have as many outlets as you'd like it to have, there you go, right here. This makes you have another outlet. And these are the pants I was going to tell you about. So these are like essentially rain pants, dry fit pants. I wear these fishing and they are awesome. So we're going 4-wheeling one day in Iceland. So I'll wear a pair of these. If they get muddy, we can do laundry. And that's my big plan on this trip is don't overpack, because NCL does this awesome thing where you can fill a laundry bag for $30, do laundry, and you're done. Like, it's great. So try not to pack as much. Gonna do like last year on the cruise, about halfway through, we'll fill one of those bags with laundry, get laundry done, and make sure that'll get us through the rest of the trip. That way we are not overpacking. But these are just a few of the items I wanted to show you. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you that I'm bringing shorts. I'm bringing shirts. Like, everybody knows I'm doing that. But I'm bringing a lot of long sleeve, like t-shirts, things like that that maybe aren't exactly super warm, but they're going to help me if it's cold, just because it's supposed to be kind of rainy and windy. So yeah, there is a brief rundown of special things I went and got to add to my travel inventory. As I said, like those shoe bags, I'll use those every time we travel. Every cruise we go on, I'll use Dramamine, things like that. Like I said, the European outlets, I'll use those on every cruise we go on. Just want to give you a brief rundown. Those pants, like I said, I wear those fishing, but they're going to work great for the rainy weather that we could encounter in Northern Europe and Iceland. So it's going to be fun. Like I said, we're going to Iceland, Norway, Amsterdam, Belgium, and we end in London. We're going to spend a couple days before the cruise in Iceland, in Reykjavik, and we're going to spend a couple days after the cruise in London. Like I said, it's a 16-day total trip with travel days. So over 2 weeks, we're going to be gone. So it's going to be a long trip. Look for some vlogs to start coming out end of July. End of July, we'll get those out, and cannot wait to share them with you. I love sharing our trips, mainly because I love going back and watching our trip and remembering things I might have forgot. But I can't wait to share them with you. Like I said, we got 4-wheeling adventures. We always go on 4-wheelers. We got to do it. We're going to go see puffins. We're going to go see trolls. We're going to go see windmills. Who knows what else we're going to see? Crystal has a whole list of things we're going to go see. I think Crystal and her girlfriends have been like making list after list after list. All I know is I got my walking shoes and I'm ready to go to Europe. And I cannot wait to take you along. Sorry we've been gone for so long, but like I said, we're kind of boring. We're not on a trip, we're kind of boring. We're homebodies. We just kind of do things around the house. Like we go fishing around here in Colorado. That's really it. But now we got a trip to share with you. And that's why we haven't really gone on a trip, because we're taking over a 2-week trip to Europe so we can bring you one big old long trip. So anyway, it's enough yapping. Next time you see me, we are going to be in Reykjavik, Iceland. Cannot wait. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't done so, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and ring that bell icon so you get all the vlog notifications for Northern Europe trip and any future videos. Thank you all again. It means so much to have you here. But most importantly, for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.
We only need